How to change phone number on TurboTax. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can change your phone number on TurboTax. For this, you want to open any web browser. Now search for TurboTax. Then click on this option turbotax.intuit.com. Once you land on the website, you want to tap on the sign in option. To get signed into your account, you want to enter either your phone number, email, or user ID. Check the box that says Remember Me if you want these details to be remembered. Now tap on the Sign In option. Next thing you want to do is enter your password. Once you have entered your password, tap on the Continue option. If the credentials you've entered are correct, you will be successfully logged into your account. Now, in order to change your phone number, follow these simple steps. Step 1 is to tap on the three lines at the top left corner of your screen. Then from here, tap on the Intuit account option. Now, you will have different options over here. In quick action, you have the option to change your address, password, name, and email, but there is no option to change your phone number. Now, you want to scroll down and here find the option of sign in and security. Tap on that. Over here, you will find your phone number. Go ahead and tap on this. Now, your current phone number is displayed here. If you want to change or update that, go ahead and tap on the change option. Now, you will have to enter your new phone number. Once you have entered your new phone number, tap on the save option. After this, an OTP code will be sent. Go ahead and enter that 6-digit OTP code. After your mobile number has been verified, your mobile number will be successfully changed. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.